Clive, many congratulations to the West Indies and to you personally. What a tremendous performance.
Thank you, Peter. Thank you. I'm glad that everybody enjoyed the game.
To come up and receive it.
Here's the cup.
Couple there to receive the trophy from Lord Carr, Chairman of the Prudential Assurance Company.
The Lions World Cup and £30,000. And let's hear now what the captain had to say about that after the match.
You mustn't drop it.
Thank you very much.
World Cup. Their second World Cup in a row. Will it be the third one in 2007?
For the third successive time.
It was when India became world champions. He saw his team home with Yuvraj Singh, and what a special moment for the Indian team.
15, ladies and gentlemen, the Australians.
ICC World Cup champions 2019 for the first time, England!